Hey folks, great you're watching again. Look over here. This is our VPV. Yes, it's a Czechoslovakian version of the BMP. It's an ARV, so it's used for towing broken down vehicles on the battlefield.
Die is ook lekker, de Tubano's.
Ja. Oh, toch niet.
Merkwaardig brandstofpompje ook, hè? Zie je dat?
Ja, dat is ook zo'n boxerpomp.
Kijk eens.
We had some issues with it because it was broken down itself, very bad. So we did a lot of work on it, especially the engine. We took it apart and used a lot of new parts like cylinders, pistons in order to get it running again. We even need to purchase complete engine with gearbox in order to obtain some parts we needed to fix the gearbox. The extra engine was toast, so we made a table out of it. And you can see it's a V6, 15.8 liters. It's a diesel. We assembled the engine with a lot of new parts and then we tested it at DSP.
Stop!
We did some really good modifications to it. How about this? Wow. And you can use Google Translate for this one. But it is operational again. Look at this.
Kijk, dan zie je toch dat iets wat een beetje onder de 20 ton blijft, toch makkelijker over het bultje heen gaat. Die 37 ton die duwt hem toch wel lekker naar beneden straks.
Wat staat er eigenlijk aan de zijkant? Ja.
This vehicle is so much fun to drive with. It's really quick. It can go like everywhere. It has a really soft suspension, so it can go upside slow on slopes and everything like that. Really fun to drive with. Nothing compared to like the T55 or something like that. The really heavy machine. This one is light, quick, and it can float. It's amphibious. And as you have seen, we haven't tested this yet. Well, we have to close some holes like this one. And also on the bottom there are some inspection hatches and stuff like that. So we have to close those in order to test it in the water. But of course, we are going to do this. But then I would say, stay tuned and wait till the next video. See you next time!